Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am shooting from my car, trying to catch some of this natural lighting for the video, but I wanted to give you another backdrop tip. And I think this is a really important one, and a lot of people like designers and stuff on YouTube do not mention this. My tip is make sure you get a pipe and drape kit that is the right height. And what I mean by this is starting out as a designer, I purchased a pipe and drape kit. I attended a mini draping class and I purchased a pipe and drape kit. And this pipe and drape kit was 8 feet tall. So the uprights were 8 feet. And I purchased it and I couldn't use it because my ceilings go up to 7 feet tall. So I had this expensive kit that I paid $300 and some for, and I could not use it. So I do want to insert some pictures of examples of kits that you probably want to stay away from because of the height. You want something that will fit your ceilings. You want a pipe and drape kit that you don't have to use a ladder in order to use. There are kits that the uprights, you can get them for like 6 feet tall, and I've even seen it as low as 4 feet tall for the uprights. So I'm gonna insert a picture and let you see what you shouldn't get. You don't want the uprights to be like at 8 feet, and I would probably even stay away from 7 feet tall as well. So a way you can fix this is, what I ended up doing is I went to Amazon, and I'm gonna insert a picture so you can see the uprights that I end up purchasing. So I purchased some uprights that were 6 feet, start at 6 feet and go up to 10 feet. So you wanna get something that's around like 6 feet so that you can be able to practice, especially if you're first starting out. You wanna be able to practice designs and stuff. You want something that's gonna fit your ceiling, and you want something that is going to be convenient. Okay, again, my tip for today is make sure you get a pipe and drape kit that is the right height. Thank you for joining me today, and until I see you next time, bye.